Hello children, welcome to the new session of H Smart. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is forest conservation measures. This is a topic from ICC class 10, the natural vegetation lesson. And that lesson itself is a 10 marks question you can expect for your examination. So conservation measures, what are the conservation measures? Okay, so this is one of the important questions. So that we will discuss in this presentation today. So before the conservation measures, we must know about why is forest conservation necessary. Why is forest conservation necessary? Forests are one of the most important natural resources that have been gifted to mankind for their sustainable existence on earth. They provide us huge amount of tangible and intangible benefits, without which life fall under the risk of extinction. Hence, it is vital for us to realize the importance of forest cover and conserve them. See here, 3 points are mentioned here. Forests are one of the important and natural sources that have been gifted to mankind for what? For the sustainable existence of this mankind on earth. And forests help us in another way. That means they provide us huge amount of tangible and the intangible benefits for us. Okay. And without this forest, what happens which life fall under the risk of extinction? So it is vital for us to realize the importance of forest cover and conserve them. So this is one of the main question from this category, conservation measures. Why is forest conservation necessary? So let's get into the topic, main part of the topic, the conservation measures. Okay, let us see what are the conservation measures. So the conservation measures are point by point. It's here mentioned. Increase the area under forest cover. Second point is afforestation around industrial units. Stopping indiscriminate felling of trees. Establishing corridors between different reserved forests. Using alternative source of energy. Proper legislation and its implementation. And the last point is people's participation. So these are the main conservation measures which our government undertakes or for all over the world. Okay, the important conservation measures. Let us see in detail these conservation measures. First one is, it's mentioned, increasing the area under forest. Loss of forest can be remedied by a massive program of tree plantation. How can we increase the forest cover? How it's through the program of tree plantation that is mentioned here. Loss of forest can be remedied by a massive program of a tree plantation. It is not a it's a individual program, it's a massive program of a tree plantation. That means planting trees. Next one is afforestation around industrial units. Two things are here, afforestation and industrial unit. What is afforestation? Opposite of a deforestation. Okay, and where afforestation they are concentrating, or the conservative measure, conservation measures, industrial units. Okay, why? The level of pollution is much higher in areas where industries are located. To prevent pollution, trees are planted around the industries. The trees act as a barrier for the dust and they purify air. This is the first and foremost reason, or the first and foremost reason, or their focus on this industrial sites means purify air, because industrial units makes a lot of pollution. When industries are located, a level of pollution is much higher in areas. So to prevent the pollution, trees are planted, and how these trees act? These trees act as a barrier for the dust and they purify air. So increasing the area under forest through tree plantation, afforestation around the industrial units. Why the industrial units more focused? Because pollution level is very high. and these trees act as a barrier for the dust and purify air. And next conservative measure is stopping indiscriminate felling of trees. Indiscriminate felling. Indiscriminate felling means what? The people, those who are coming for cutting down the forest, they are not seeing this the category of the trees and all. Indiscriminate, all the trees they are cutting down there. So that is what stopping indiscriminate felling of trees. There should be a strict ban on felling naturally growing trees. If a tree has to be cut, necessary permission has to be obtained. Here it is mentioned there should be a strict ban on felling naturally growing trees. Okay, and if a tree has to be cut, necessary permission they have to take, or those who want to cut down that trees. Okay, so that is another conservative measure mentioned here. They have to take the permission and strict ban on felling naturally growing trees. And the third point is establishing corridors between different reserved forests. Okay, so you know very well about forests are a habitat or the dwelling place of wild animals. So wide corridors should be established in different reserved forests to allow the migration of wild animals. This will help numerous species of animals to use these corridors for their dispersal and migration. When the resources got over in a particular area, they can migrate. But how they can migrate, we need to make or establish a particular corridor or a safe corridor for them. Okay, so establishing corridors between different reserved forests, it helps the wild animals to for their dispersal and migration also. So that is another point, a conservation measure of a forest. And next one is using alternative source of energy. Alternative sources of energy examples are tidal energy, hydel energy, solar energy, wind energy. That are the different sources of energy. So in India, many parts trees are felled for providing firewoods. So that is what the point came here, using alternative source of energy. In India, many parts trees are felled for providing firewood. In order to conserve forests, we must use non-conventional or renewable sources of energy like solar energy, tidal energy, hydel energy, etc. Because for firewood and all in village areas and all, the people mainly using for that. Okay, using these firewood or the woods, so that they are cutting down the forest for using these type of purposes. So here it is mentioned we have to find out some renewable sources of energy instead of what cutting down the trees. That is what this point focus, using alternative source of energy. And next one is strict laws should be made to check deforestation. Strict laws should be made to check reforestation. So there are so many government orders and proper legislations are there for what for check deforestation, and proper care should be taken to see that these laws are strictly implemented. That part is from the government side, they are doing that in well manner. So strict laws are here in India, and it should be made to check deforestation also. So indiscriminate felling of trees are not allowed in our country. So that is one another point that is mentioned here. Next one is people's participation. People participation, each and every individual, each and every people, each and every citizens are, we have belongingness to our environment. So people's participation is very important. Participation of local communities of utmost significance. If any plan has to be enforced, since the local inhabitants are the ultimate users. So most programs now involve local communities in planning, decision making, and implementation. That means the people, those who are staying in a particular area, with discussion with them, and the government or NGOs, they are taking some plan, or they are formulating some plans, and decision making and implementation of this afforestation through the participation of a people or people's participation. That is also one of the important point. And in next part of our lesson, we need to discuss about the national forest policy and social forestry. At that time, you will get more idea about this, what is people's participation. Okay, so these are the few points from conservation measures in India. So let us recap the lesson, what all the points we discussed here. Forest conservation measures are: increase the area under forest cover, that means through planting more trees, saplings. Afforestation around industrial units. Afforestation means planting trees. And why we focus in the area of industrial units? Because of the higher pollution level. Trees helps to purify the air. And next one, stopping indiscriminate felling of trees. That means government should take some decision or some strict laws regarding this particular thing. And next point is establishing corridors between different reserved forest. Why we need to establish the corridors between the different forests? Means migration for wild animals, it is very very necessary, that one. And using alternative source of energy, because in majority in India, trees are felled for providing firewood. So in order to conserve forest, we must use non-conventional or renewable sources of energy. That is the reason behind of this. And the proper legislation and its implementation. Strict laws should be made to check deforestation, and proper care should be taken to see that these laws are strictly implemented. That is also one of the major thing. Laws are there, but a proper care should be taken to see that the laws are strictly implemented or not. Next one is the people's participation. Through the people's participation, we can enhance the range of our forest cover. Participation with the local communities and the local inhabitants, and with them the NGOs, the government, and the different units, environmental units can plan, and they can make some decision, and they can implement that planning also. So these are the few conservation measures we need to discuss from this lesson. And here are few questions which I felt it's important. Why are forests grown around the cities having industries? Already we discussed, for purifying the air and the air pollution. Because of the air pollution, this industries plays an important role in air pollution. Next one, mention 3 methods for the conservation of a forest in India. These main points we discussed here, we discussed around 7 points. If any 3 points you can pick up and write. And describe the methods of protecting forest under the following heads. Here the question is very specific. Here maybe this type of questions you can expect for 1 or 2 marks. Just mention the word, question word. Mention means no need of explaining about that, just mention it. Okay, but here describe the word, question word here given more stress for describe. So describe the methods of protecting forest and the following heads. Afforestation, that was the first point we discussed. Using alternative source of energy, because firewoods are using more in India. For conserving the forest, we need to find some non-conventional or renewable sources of energy, and increasing the area under a forest cover, under forest. So these are the few questions I felt from this only 7 points, and you can expect some questions from this category also. And thank you for watching this presentation. If you feel this presentation is helpful for you, just hit the like button, and if it's good for your friends, please share. And for more notifications and the lesson wise topics introductions, you please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.